If you've watched AI video jump from toy demos to studio-grade shots in just a year, you've seen the Veo timeline in action. Today we'll trace Veo from its first public debut to Veo 2 and the current Veo 3, and more importantly, translate each jump into what you can do right now as a creator or educator. Let's start at the beginning. Veo arrived as Google's most capable text-to-video model, generating high-definition footage beyond a minute, with an unusually strong grasp of cinematic language. It understood prompts like time-lapse, aerial tracking, and shallow depths of field, and shipped in the Labs tool video effects for select creators. From day one, Google emphasized responsible release, including embedded Synthedy watermarks on generated videos. Veo 2 empujaron dos grandes palancas, acceso y control. Practically, it became available inside Gemini Advanced and Whisk Animate, letting subscribers generate 8-second 720p 4 clips right from a model drop-down, quick shareable short-form assets that slot straight into Shorts and TikTok tests. Under the hood, Veo 2 improved physics, human motion, and prompt adherence, and added reference-guided generation for character scene consistency. Google Veo 3 is the turning point. Video finally met audio. It can generate synchronized environmental sound, SFX, and even dialogue, with noticeably stronger realism and physics. In parallel, Google launched Flow, a creator-facing filmmaking app built around Veo and Imagen with camera controls, a scene builder for extending shots with continuous motion and consistent characters, and asset management for keeping your ingredients organized. Google Veo 3 also ups fidelity up to 4K in some surfaces, though consumer apps may expose lower resolutions during rollout on mobile. So how should you use each version? Which model do you need to use? Rapid ideation and short test. Use Veo 2 in Gemini. It's perfect for quick 8-second beats. Product hero spins, establishing shots, background loops for explainers. Pick Veo 2 from the model menu, paste a prompt, generate and share. Pre-visualization and multi-shot sequences. Use Flow with Veo 3. Set camera handheld dolly in, extend a shot with Scene Builder, and maintain the same character design across clips using reference images. Add temp dialogue or ambient sound without leaving the tool. Programmatic or product use. Use the Veo 2GA model via the Gemini API to seed dynamic videos from templates wrap-up. In 1 year, Veo went from stunning silent concept to cinematic shots with native sound and editorial control. Use Veo 2 to iterate fast on short testable videos. Move to Veo 3 in Flow when you need camera control, multi-shot continuity, and audio in the same pass. Build a reusable prompt library, keep references for consistency, and treat each 8-second beat as a Lego brick you can reassemble into longer stories. That's how you ship real work with Veo today.